Assalomu alaykum hammaga. Sizlar bilan har doimgidek Shohman. Bugungi video roligimizda Bekxan Kapkut bilan men o'yin o'ynayman. DLC va bu o'yinimiz ikkinchi o'yinimiz bo'ladi. Birinchi o'yinda men 1-0 ga Bekxanni mag'lub etdim. Hozir Bekxanga diriza tashlaylik. O'yin boshlanyapti aziz do'stlar.
And the fans are out in numbers. The kick-off moments away. A lot of talk before the match about how these two will line up. Let's see what the managers have gone with. Home team has gone with a strong lineup here. And the away team have gone with this lineup. What will be the outcome of today's game? Real with the ball. Well won by Alaba. What an opportunity! Oh, he tried his luck there, but it's just off target. And their first shot of the day is off target. Split it forward. Poor tackle there. Ben Seguir. We did really well there.
Alex Garcia, Rafael
Striker's ball.
Oldirib qo'ydi va Diego Carlos to'pni
He's on the move.
va yana
That's a poor pass.
yana Rafaga pas. Rafa aldab
Is this a goal? Back off the post.
Rafa urilmadi.
That pass could have been better.
Aytishadi-ku.
He's thrown it long.
Nicholas Jackson, Cigarette Jackson.
He couldn't direct that header
Va
goalward.
Rafa yana qiyshiqdek yubordi va Bekxan to'pni o'yinga kirgizib beradi va
They're moving the ball about so well.
to'pni ololmadi va Defas
He's in control. Diego Carlos with a tackle.
lekin o'yinchilarim to'pni olib qo'ydi va Rafaelga pas, qanday ajoyib pas bu.
Real with the ball.
Birga bir vaziyatga
What a
chiqishi
chance!
mumkin va zarba.
That strike was off target. Well, let's take another look at that effort on goal.
Bekxan
He's going for goal. The defenders are nowhere near him. Slotted home. The favourites have struck first. Will the floodgates open now? Ben Seguir. Oh, that's great determination. He's won the ball back. And he's given possession away at a dangerous place. The defender regains possession, and now they're going to try and break. And he's won it back for his team. Will we see a goal? The finish was just off there, and it's wide. A slender 1-0 margin. One team managed to get ahead. Their opponents will surely mount a fight back in the second half.
Men birikta o'yinchilarimni almashtirmoqchiman va ko'p o'yinchilarimni almashtirib yubormagan. Bo'ldi. 4 kishini almashtirdim, yana bir kishini almashtirdim.
Diego Carlos with a tackle. No pressure here, they're firmly in control. He's charging down the wing. The fans are on their feet.
ikkiga pas bo'ladi
He
bu.
misjudged the pass.
Diego Carlos zarba.
Here's the shot, and that shot from distance is stopped by the keeper. So this player will come off, and a new one will take to the pitch. Wins the aerial battle.
Diego Carlos zarba.
He has a crack from distance. He's hit it too high. The keeper can give a sigh of relief. He rose up to win the ball.
To'pni olib qo'ymoqchi bo'ldi va Talbi to'pni olib qo'ydi. Va bu qanday deb qizilga moslashtirib yuborishi mumkin.
It's red. He's been given his marching orders. Oh, he's really let his team down.
Rafaleo mana shu yerdan tepmoqchi bo'lyapti va afsuski noaniq. Vartaga to'g'ri bordi-da, lekin Vartar qaytardi.
And Matic.
Talbi to'pni olib qo'ydi. Danoisga to'p keldi. Rafaga pas. Rafaga noaniq pas bo'ldi.
Passed around.
Va Bekxan qaysi hujumga ketib qolishi mumkin edi, lekin
He's got control of the ball.
va
Surely now. And that's how it's done. Let's start again. How will that change things? Benseguir. This is the player who's making it all happen. He's clear and sprinting forward now. The referee has to do something about it. That was a dreadful challenge. Now it's Leao. Well executed. He knew exactly where to put it. That goal is second of the match. Well, surely all he can do now is grab a consolation goal. There's not much time left, and it seems all over. He dribbles the ball forward. Oh, there's an opening here.
deb yubordi va Bekan uydan chiqib ketdi. Ko'rib turibsizlar do'stlar, 3-0 men yutdim va Bekan yutqizib qo'ydi. Xo'p, sizlar bilan Shohruxbek Shohman bo'ldi. Keyingi videolarimizda ko'rishguncha xayr.